Thank you also. Manoj, thanks. दादा अंदर. चलो दादा अंदर.
Escaped. You should have told me he's coming so casually.
Farhan is busy promoting Shaadi Ki Side Effects. Deepika has a flight to catch in about 2 hours for the. That's what she told me. So thank you both of you for being here. And what can I say? The Filmfare Awards are always a celebration of excellence. The Filmfare Awards is always a time for stock taking, reckoning, and evaluating ourselves, the movie industry, how we have done over the past 1 year. And here are the results, largest life. So all I'd say is my complete appreciation for the subtext Farhan got to his character as Milkha Singh, and the movie, he gave the movie, I mean, besides being a great directed movie, Farhan also got a lot of layers which a lot of actors are not able to bring to their character. I mean, he really sort of epitomized the biopic and gave it its meat, its substance. As for Deepika, 2013 was really her year, and she's become this box office whammy. So more power to you, and congratulations again on your award. That's it from me. May I now ask the lady on the extreme left to say a few words, please?
Good evening, all of you. And at the outset, before I start, I'd like to congratulate Farhan and Deepika on their brilliant performances for last year and winning the coveted Best Actor and Actress Award. As for Idea, we are the third largest pan-India operator with over 130 million subscribers. We've been extremely happy and content with our association with Filmfare. We've been there for about 5 years, and this year, like every other year, it was a great event. Idea is a mass brand, and it reaches out to its 130 million subscribers through various forms of entertainment. And what better institution to associate with than Filmfare, that gives us rich content through our mobile internet and data devices that we reach out to people. So it's a real fit of content, the provider, and ultimate enjoyment for the masses. This year we had great content from the event, right from press conferences to the nominations night to the event and all that was going on. We had a lot of social engagement on our platform. We have a site called Idea Popcorn Street where we put up everything and live tweets, and people knew exactly what was going on. So it was all in all a great evening, and we're really happy to be with you. And that's it from me. So over to now, I guess, Farhan.
Yeah, maybe Deepika first. So she'll leave my phone alone.
I've left your phone. There's too much in there. I'm going to start feeling guilty if I read something. Are you going to? Okay. So thank you, Filmfare. Thank you, Idea. I think awards are always, I think, welcome, and actors always, deep down inside, somewhere you feel a sense of appreciation, and you feel like your hard work has paid off when you win an award. But I think the Filmfare really takes it to another level. I've been winning at Screen and say all the other award functions, but I think the reaction that I got to Filmfare specifically, I think that just goes to show how special it is. I think people message me from all over the world. So thank you for that. And Filmfare has always been very, very iconic, not just the award itself, but even the magazine. You keep featuring us in them, sometimes good, sometimes bad, but we live with that. But thank you for giving us this opportunity and making 2013 for me even more special than it already was.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Jitesh. Thank you, Filmfare. I think it was a great idea that that Deepika and myself, our work was recognized this year. Very, very thankful. And I do agree with her. I think there is something truly special about winning the Filmfare Award. My theory about it is that there is so much history associated with this award. There are so many great actors before us who have held this award in their hands. And really to be a part of that chain of talent, it feels very, very good. So thank you very much, and also thank you for those very kind words that you said about the work here this evening. I really don't know what else I can add. I think everyone has pretty much said what needed to be. But I do feel very thankful. It was some kind of a strange dream that I had when I was a child, and I used to pick up those awards lying on my father's desk, and I used to pose with them. At that point, I had no idea what it was for that I was posing. It just felt like a nice, cool thing to do. So it was nice to get an opportunity in various departments, actually, in filmmaking, to have received it over the years. As far as awards go, truly about keeping them on a shelf or keeping them close to where you want to stay inspired and stay motivated, this is truly the one that matters. So thank you very, very much.
I have to add an interesting bit of trivia. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think Farhan and Zoya are the only siblings who won in the same year. Zindagi Na Milegi Durbara won 8 awards, including Best Film, Best Director, and you won Best Supporting Actor that year. I don't know if you remember that there is a connection, because I don't think there are too many siblings in the industry who won in the same year. So that's a record of sorts. Yeah.
May we have the AV, please?
So the stars.
Now open to the press for questions. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, yeah. After we unveil the magazine.